Okay, welcome back, Brazil, to your Caribou Data Science channel. This is the afternoon of February the 10th, 2022. We'll start the report just as soon as I get the sheet pulled up here. Just a couple reminders today, Brazil, if you are watching on YouTube today, excuse me, be sure to click on that subscribe button. We're within striking distance of 600 subscribers this week. All I need for you to click the subscribe button. Of course, I also need for you today to click on the like button and that share button. Share the video on Facebook and Twitter with your friends and family today, okay? Let's just take a look here. Okay, let's check and make sure the sound. Check and make sure the headset's working. Okay, good. Back to where we left off. Okay, welcome back to your Caribou Data Science channel, Brazil. This is the afternoon of February the 10th, 2022. And before we get started, I have a couple of favors to ask you folks today. First of all, if you're watching this video on YouTube, I'd appreciate it if you would first click on that subscribe button because we can reach 600 subscribers by this weekend. All I need is you to click on that subscribe button today. Click on the like button, and finally click on that share button. Share the video today with your Facebook and Twitter family. Okay. So in the last 365 days, Brazil has had 17.2 million cases, 401,700 and 401,701 deaths. You can see that their cases aren't as bad as some countries. Deaths are relatively low. Now come down here and take a look at the, as of February 9th, you had 179,417 cases for a single day, with an average of 175,898 cases per day. Deaths are looking a little better. Not well, I shouldn't say better because it's clearly been declining up since January. Okay, so on January the 9th, or February the 9th, you had 1,303 cases, with an average of 739 cases per day, or deaths per day. Okay, I'm sorry. So you had 1,303 deaths on February the 9th, with an average of 689.2 deaths per day. You can see the big spike in cases here. This is probably Omicron, but we can't be absolutely sure. And you are seeing a slight increase in deaths, but I would say if you look at the proportion of deaths to cases here, the mortality rate was much higher back during this spike. What is this? Which variant was this? The deaths were much higher as a percentage of cases back during the Delta variant. But the cases are much higher for Omicron, but yet the deaths are relatively low. Sure, there is an increase here, but the deaths compared as a ratio of compared to cases is much lower than it was during the April to July time frame. And here you can see here, well, it's too soon to tell, but the deaths have already passed these 5 months right here. Okay, or the cases have already passed these 5 of the 6 previous months. Okay, deaths are higher than the previous 2 months. But of course, we're only 1 week into the date. So that concludes the report for Spain for today. Let's just wrap this up by firing this bad boy up to. That concludes the report for Spain for today.